Yeah, which one do you want, Don?
This one here.
Yeah.
You got one at the temple here?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
This one the biggest mountain, and this one the Ulundanu. The Ulundanu, and this one I have the Batur and Tanah Lot and rice tea. You take 2 packet or 3 packet, no problem.
1 packet.
You take 2, I give you 1 packet bonus.
Okay.
This one bonus, you take 2.
I only want 1.
You can choose.
Which one do you want, Don? The one?
You pick.
No, you want the
It's your deal.
My deal? How much is for one?
Where they come from? England?
Australia.
Oh, Australia. This one, type cut is for the $5. When you take 2, is I give you okay for the $7 and 1 packet bonus.
$7 for 3.
Give me
Okay.
the $10, okay, no problem. Or the buy the book for the school.
You've
The
got
paper $10, okay?
$10 okay. You'll give it to me for $10 just because you like me.
$3 for me for the extra.
Okay. Okay. So I'll give you $10. Yeah. I'll give you one of those. Yeah. You happy with that one?
Yes.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You are
This
welcome.
one okay.